Hello, we're here today to introduce you to a product called Insta-Claim, the future of the insurance claims industry. When talking about insurance claims, a claim can be a defining moment. A claim will show that years spent paying insurance premiums are worth that expense. If handled well, company retention rates may rise. In addition, you may gain positive reputation. If handled poorly, a number of things may happen. The insurer may lose the customer, and it could damage the company reputation. Now let's take a look at a claim. After an accident, it can take between 60 and 90 days to settle the claim. The company has to wait for the insured to call in the claim, which could take days. The insurance company will also need to gather information from the customer, which could lead to even more delay. This delay could cause the insured to either forget or add information about the accident. The insured could also be influenced by outside factors, such as friends or family. All of this could make it more difficult for the insurance company to determine who is at fault in the accident. In addition, police reports can be helpful, but in a lot of the cases, you won't have one. Then, after all this happens, the insured needs to take more time and send the vehicle to a body shop and have repairs completed. Now, let's look at what the cost of an insurance claim is. Claims represent the largest single cost to insurers. Up to 80% of all premiums are spent on claims payment and associated handling charges. In addition to the cost of paying out a claim has associated handling costs. The man-hours associated with a claim are one of the biggest costs to the insurance industry. Between the initial report, investigating the claim, assessing the damage, it creates a very time-consuming process. Now, when we start to analyze things, an average claims adjuster makes $49,259 a year. That's about $25 an hour. If a claims adjuster spends 3 hours on an insurance claim, that will cost the company $75. What if we told you there is a better way? Now, let's take a look at a quick animated video demonstrating the Insta-Claim process.
The insurance claims process has stayed the same for a relatively long time. We start from the moment an accident happens. Assuming the situation is safe and no one is hurt, the insured share their information and a police report may be created if they are present. The insurance will typically be contacted after the accident. They will then need to collect statements and information to determine who is at fault. An adjuster will need to be sent to determine how to best repair the car and the amount of money that will be needed to fix the car. This is a long and costly process for insurance companies, not to mention that it often creates frustration for customers. What if there is a better way? With our new Insta-Claim technology, the answer is clear. When an accident occurs, and once the drivers confirm that there is no danger, they use their cell phone to contact an adjuster via face-to-face video. This will directly connect the insured to an adjuster from the moment the accident occurs. They will be able to handle the insurance claim starting on the spot, rather than waiting until after the incident to collect the information. The insurance company will have video evidence of the accident in real time. Additionally, video can be used to assess the damage to the vehicles. And ideally determine the repair costs. This greatly consolidates the claims process. It thus will reduce the amount of time it takes to review and process a claim from start to finish. In turn, that will reduce the handling cost of a claim and increase insurance company profits. Finally, this will create a better experience for the consumer in the claims process, and that will increase that consumer's loyalty to the insurance company.
That's where Insta-Claim comes in. Insta-Claim is a face-to-face video client that is used to connect an insurance adjuster to the client at the moment of the accident. This will allow you to greatly simplify and speed up the insurance claims process, and it will also create a more positive experience for the customer. Using Insta-Claim, you will gather information from the scene of the accident to create a more accurate picture of what happened. And this will reduce the number of steps needed for a claim and the amount of time an adjuster needs to spend reviewing the claim. Adjuster productivity will increase because of this simplification, thus reducing the handling costs of a claim. It will also allow the customers to get their vehicles repaired more quickly because of the faster process. So how does Insta-Claim work? After an accident, the customer will use an app on their phone or scan a QR code, or additionally, tap an Insta-Claim card to the back of an NFC-enabled device to connect with an adjuster via a face-to-face video client. All video and audio are recorded for later review if necessary. And the adjuster will have video evidence of the scene, rather than needing to interpret stories later on. This reduces the risk of outside influence on the persons involved in the accident. You will also record the location of the accident specifically using GPS, reducing the amount of time it takes to gather evidence for the claim. Additionally, you can use video to assess the damage to the cars and provide a repair estimate. This will speed up repairs, eliminating the need to send out an actual adjuster to determine what the cost will be. And if this is a positive experience for the customer, they are likely to stay with the company and recommend it to others. Now, let's look at one final benefit for Insta-Claim. The number of people who do not speak English in this country is growing, and that represents a large market segment. Now, an accident can be a stressful situation for a person who doesn't speak English well. But with Insta-Claim, by selecting the client's language preference, non-English speakers will be able to connect with an agent or adjuster who can act as a translation service for them in the event of an accident, allowing them to adequately communicate with the person whom they've been in an accident with. This will allow them to help share information with the other driver and the police, and it can also be reassuring for a customer. Now let's take a look at a quick video demonstrating the benefits of Insta-Claim for those of your customers who are not native English speakers.
Hey, hit my car!
Perdóname,
I
perdóname.
can't speak Spanish.
Un momento.
Hi, I'm Hector, and I'm the bilingual representative. How may I help you today?
So, in conclusion, the claims process is old and outdated. Customers are ready for something new. Insta-Claim will increase both the profitability and efficiency of the claims process, and it will appeal to the non-English speaking segments of the population.